Hello everyone, it's Tutor Nick. Welcome to Lesson 26. The solutions to Lesson 25 are linked in the description below. In this lesson, we're going to start learning about the structure of English. All languages have rules about word order and word shape. These rules are called syntax or grammar. You can learn language without studying grammar, but you will never be able to speak well, and you will have difficulty understanding. Many people believe grammar is very difficult to learn, but you don't need to know everything now. We will learn grammar in easy stages, and soon you will be speaking clear English and understanding it. The first thing we're going to learn is what is called parts of speech. Parts of speech describe the structure of English. Parts of speech is composed of word classes and phrase classes. In this lesson, we're going to concentrate on word classes. Word classes are divided into major word classes and other word classes. We're going to concentrate on major word classes. And in that description, there are 4 major word classes: noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. Don't be frightened by all these new words and names. You will be hearing them a lot. They will become very familiar. The first major word category that we will look at is the noun. A noun is the name of a person, or a place, or a thing, or a substance, or a quality. Examples of nouns are words like king, postman, Karachi, Iran, book, table, festival, parade, acid, water, honesty, and beauty. If you don't know these words, you can look them up in a dictionary or Google them. They are all nouns, and they are the first in the group of major word classes. The second group in the major word classes is the verb. A verb can refer to an action, to a condition, or to an experience. These are examples of verbs: eat, buy, ask, stay, exist, be, feel, itch. The third of the major word classes is the adjective. Adjectives give more information about nouns. So here are some adjective words: big, small, blue, rich, old, nice, medium, long, tall. And you will see that all these words can be used with nouns to tell you more about the noun. The fourth group in the major word classes is the adverb. An adverb is a word that gives you more information about a verb. Examples are fast, carefully, quickly, early, always, well, and badly. These words combine with verbs to give you more information about the verb. Links to the solution for the last exercise are in the description below. Also, there is a link to this week's exercise. This week's exercise is very simple. All you have to do is match the words to the correct word class. Think about the descriptions of the word classes. A noun is for a person, place, thing, substance, etc. A verb is for action, for conditions, for states. An adjective adds more information to a noun, and an adverb adds more information to a verb. So, thinking of those, match the words to the word class. The exercise solution will be in the next video in the description. See you soon. Bye bye.